Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This afternoon our topic is heaven. Our reference book is Revelation chapter 21 verse 3 to 4. The Bible says in verse 3, "And I heard a great voice out of heaven saying, Behold, the tabernacle of God is with men, and he will dwell with them, and they shall be his people, and God himself shall be with them and be their God." Verse 4, "And God shall wipe away all tears from their eyes, and there shall be no more pain, no more death, neither sorrow nor crying, neither shall there be any more pain, for the former things are passed away." This is the Bisan version in the topic of heaven. In the book of Revelation 21, verse 3 and 4. "Ug nadungog ko ang usa ka dakong tingog gikan sa trono nga nagaingon, Ania karon ang tabernakulo sa Dios uban sa mga tawo, ug siya magapuyo uban kanila, ug sila mahimong katawhan niya, ug ang Dios gayud magauban kanila, ug mahimo nga ilang Dios." Verse 14, 4, "Og pahiran sa Dios ang mga tanang luha sa ilang mga mata, ug mawala ang kamatayon, ug wala nay pagkabalaka, bisan paghilak, bisan kasakit, kay ang mga butang nahauna ming-agi na." Another book, guys, for the heaven topic is the Revelation 21 verse 27. And there shall in no wise enter into it anything that defileth, neither whatsoever worketh abomination, or maketh a lie, but they which are written in the Lamb's book of life. This is another version, guys, the topic of heaven. Sa book of Revelation chapter 21 verse 27. The Bible says, "Og walay makasulod kaniya bisan kinsa nga mahugan ni ang nagabuhat sa kalaw ayan ug bakak, kundili ang mga nahasulat lamang sa basahon sa kinabuhi sa Kordero." Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching, guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.